Omuri Kegegwa okutongoza okukorirwa mu kampu y'empungi eya Kyaka ya kabiri. Enteekateeka egi eyesirwe Enhanced Women Leadership, Empowerment, Access and Protection ninga SHILIP. Egi neeza kuba neyenegyezibwa ba UN Women obwe barikuteebwa mu sente aba embassy ya Norway mu Uganda.
And I think this program is timely in the sense that it will try as much as possible to build the capacity of women and girls in all aspects.
To empower women, women empowerment, women emancipation, gender equality. Twena twaba involved kuba norabe bembezi kutandikira prime minister paka to the lower vice president up to here Kegegwa. I am an RDC but a woman plus my deputy DPC, all of us we are included and involved in leadership. So we bembezi obukuba buruba bachara abakazi kugira commitment abakazi tulemera hansonga omukazi visionary nabasaide nuko bale baito especially omukazi okumoleke chokora shwale losanga ngwekintu bakitwara kurumi mu maiso.
Okureetaho Paul Collins okero mujecero rwa UN Women enteekateeka egi neyo kumaraho sente za $5,776 omu za $, ahabwa emyaka 4 kandi neeza kukorera omuri za district eziri mu Kegegwa, Adjumani, Yumbe hamwe na Terego.
Of course, we are providing a lot of trainings and awareness raisings, for on gender equality, but also working with all the partners to ensure that gender equality is integrated as an approach, in all the interventions, in all the planning, in all the programs that is being undertaken here.
And I want to assure you, the UN Women, that we are with you in the implementation of these activities, and we shall ensure that every activity is implemented as planned.
Mwine shantero rukurra bacharo mu kampu y'empungi ya Kyaka ya kabiri nagira ngo mwingano hamwe n'embeera y'abakazi mu kampu egi neyarakiruza ekireetera abishiki n'abakazi batandika kuguza emibiri yabo ngo hawo kuba sente zibabire nibatunga kurwo mu mpabuhwezi zikacendera. Monica Karunjoro RDC wa Kegegwa kandi obeera ryo mugenyi mukuru asimira enteekateeka egi ngu neeza kwongera hakwimusira karya bakyara.
Twata esente enki obwiro bw'omumisho 2018 19 kandi twata omutwaro gumwe na shiringi 10 hati nkimanyisa ngo obwire twata shiringi orunaku nibatubarira shiringi 4 hati nkimanyisa ngo kwezi family omuntu omwe nakwata omutwaro gumwe n'13 ateze omutwaro gumwe n'13 twinaho kuhinga nizogura mu mere nizogura mu food atezo sente ninki cyareterera abana bo bwishiki kweguza n'abacyara.
Enteekateeka egi neyo kuhwera empungi hamwe n'abanyayuganda. Gashaka Philip Marangero muri Kegegwa.